Hi, my name is Kevin Kiely, and my project is on how rats are invasive species. This is the vocab that I'll be using during the presentation. The first word is invasive species. It is an organism that causes harm in a new environment where it is not native. Second word is endangered species. It is a species of animal or plant that is seriously at risk of extinction. And then the last word is extinction. It is a termination of a specific species. A little fun fact is 33% of animal extinction is due to invasive species. Background on rats. So rats were not always spread across the world, roaming around every country. They first originated in Asia and Australia. There are many different types of rats that have found their way across different parts of the world. For example, the rice field rat is found in Southeast Asia. The Australian swamp rat is found in eastern Australia. And the Norway rat, also called brown rats, which is the most common rat that you see if you see rats anytime around your house or something for some reason, which would be bad, is found on every continent of the world except Antarctica. Rats are typically 5 to 7 inches long, sometimes bigger, and they travel in packs. What species are rats invasive toward? The black rat, roof rat, or ship rat are among the most widespread invasive species on islands and continents. Rats are most invasive on islands. They've driven many birds and reptile species extinct and continue to do so today. The main species rats disrupt are seabirds, and the way the rats are able to destroy the reproduction of the seabird species is by first attacking the eggs of the bird, and they will also go for the chicks and the adult birds if they're hungry enough. Scientists are scared that rats are killing off species of birds that are already endangered. An example of this is the Atlantic petrels used to extinct. It was extinct on Tristan da Cunha, an island in South Atlantic. The scientists think the group had vanished in recent years due to the black rat. Rats have not only driven birds extinct, but also reptiles. The salmonid lizard has not been seen since 2005, and scientists believe this is because of the rats invading the salmonid island and wiping out the lizard species completely. This is a slide about how important, how rats tend to go to islands more, and they strive more on islands than like mainland. Rats have found ways onto ships and have spread their species across the world. Now billions of rats scurry the earth carrying over 35 diseases. They can survive in almost anywhere that has food and shelter. They're able to live where humans are, or if humans are not on that land, they can also strive there. Rats usually get onto remote islands, and they're very good at adapting to new environments. It's easy for rats to strive on islands with other small rodents because they have less competition to worry about. So this slide is some pictures of certain. So the Atlantic petrels I talked about, it is currently extinct, and scientists believe that it's because of the rats, the black rats. And then this middle picture is seabirds, which they aren't currently extinct, but they rats are like harassing them, and soon they possibly could go extinct due to that. And then this right picture is a salmonid lizard. It is also extinct due to rats. This is my closing. There we go. Rats have been a problem for hundreds of years, not only being one of the worst invasive species, they also were the cause of many diseases coming overseas and killing millions of people. We have to start preserving, I believe that we have to start preserving the animals on islands that are most threatened by by extinction due to the rats. Most people just think of rats as a gross animal, which I do also, and that is true. But we need to realize how much effect they have had on other species. We have to try and find ways to get them off certain islands, or different ways to make them preserve all like the animals that are possibly going extinct. And then this is my works cited page, and that's it. That's my presentation on rats and how they are invasive species.